Welcome back, everyone. Let's jump right in, because today on The Explainer, we are unpacking a seriously rigorous engineering challenge right at the intersection of industrial manufacturing and medical technology. We're going to analyze the complete design cycle of a highly specialized piece of assistive tech, the 3D printed composite Mouthstick by 3M Tool and Machine. It is a fantastic case study in how incredibly tight physical constraints can actually breed remarkable innovation.
Okay, let's dive into this. We're looking at a newly engineered Mouthstick, which is an essential assistive device utilized by individuals with restricted hand or arm mobility. Functionally, it acts as a direct mechanical extension of the human body. It's a literal human-machine interface for touchscreen interaction. But, beneath its relatively simple appearance lies a highly engineered composite cantilever beam that requires absolute biomechanical precision.
Section 1. The Biomechanical Design Challenge.
So, to engineer a successful device here, the development team confronted what is essentially a kinematic paradox: achieving high structural stiffness while maintaining remarkably low mass. In traditional materials, those two things are almost always mutually exclusive. Because the device acts as a lever extending from the mouth, any excess mass radically increases the moment of inertia, and that causes rapid user fatigue in the jaw and neck. Yet, if the structure lacks absolute stiffness, it's going to experience deflection when pressed against a touchscreen, completely destroying tactile precision. It was a literal battle against physics that the engineers had to win.
Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds: material science, polymers, and composites. The ultimate solution to that high-stiffness, low-mass paradox? It lies in carbon fiber reinforced polymers, or CSFPs. Basically, these are composite materials that embed strong, rigid carbon fibers directly within a much lighter polymer matrix. The result is an incredibly high modulus of elasticity, meaning it powerfully resists deformation, but without the heavy density of metals. For this specific design, 3M Tool and Machine utilized actual carbon fiber tubes for the adapter section. That's the critical structural bridge attaching the mouthpiece to the stylus tip. By using carbon fiber tubes there, the engineers guarantee absolute structural rigidity. When a user taps a screen, all that kinetic energy transfers directly to the stylus tip with zero deflection.
Now, what's really interesting about this is that shifting from the rigid adapter tube over to the actual mouthpiece changes the engineering parameters drastically. The team had to experiment with advanced polymers to balance structural integrity with ergonomics. They evaluated a tough, impact-resistant polycarbonate blend against mark-forged onyx, which is a carbon fiber-filled nylon boasting exceptionally high tensile strength. The engineering matrix here is incredibly tight. I mean, think about it. The average human jaw can exert over 150 pounds of bite force. The mouthpiece absolutely needs the yield strength to survive thousands of these repetitive loads without failing. But at the same time, the material matrix cannot be so aggressively rigid that it damages the user's teeth or causes muscular fatigue. As additive manufacturing media points out perfectly, lightweight and a high stiffness are critical to enable the Mouthsticks are both comfortable and precise enough to use with electronic devices. That right there is the non-negotiable engineering doctrine for the entire project. If it's not lightweight, it's useless for everyday comfort. If it lacks structural stiffness, it won't be precise enough to accurately target icons on a screen. Hitting both of those metrics simultaneously is the whole ballgame.
Section 3. The additive manufacturing advantage.
Additive manufacturing, which we usually just call 3D printing, is the engine driving this entire project. Unlike traditional subtractive manufacturing, like CNC machining, where you start with a solid block and cut material away, additive manufacturing builds the part layer by layer from the ground up. This distinction is absolutely massive for medical applications because it excels at producing complex geometry products with exceptionally high precision. By utilizing their own in-house capabilities, 3M Tool and Machine completely bypass the expensive tooling or molds you normally need for mass production. Instead, they achieve true mass customization, producing highly specific, tailored geometries totally seamlessly.
Section 4. Iterative engineering and prototyping.
Because the team is still in the early development phases with these Mouthsticks, the ability to rapidly iterate is honestly their most valuable asset. Additive manufacturing allows for incredibly fast prototyping cycles. The engineering team can essentially design a custom mouthpiece topology on Monday, print it on Tuesday, and literally have a user testing it for biomechanical fit and ergonomic comfort by Wednesday. They are continuously tweaking custom tolerances, testing different iterations of the Onyx versus the PC blend, and gathering real-world data. Human mouths and mobility levels vary wildly, right? So a one-size-fits-all approach simply doesn't work in assistive tech. Additive manufacturing turns that highly variable challenge from a major roadblock into just standard operating procedure.
By combining high-modulus composite materials with the geometric freedom of additive manufacturing, engineers can solve biomechanical constraints that were previously thought impossible to overcome. The 3D printed Mouthstick is an incredible testament to this, but honestly, it's really just the beginning. It forces us to ask, what other everyday assistive tools are just waiting to be completely optimized by additive manufacturing? Think about the intersections of industrial design and medical technology all around us, just waiting for this kind of rigorous, iterative engineering. I hope this explainer gave you a new appreciation for the hidden physics and material science inside the tools that empower people every day. Thank you so much for joining me. Keep asking those big questions, and we'll see you on the next explainer.